27 Genesee Street in Troy, New York. This home is located in Brunswick. You can walk to Frear Park and enjoy the summer breezes on this beautiful porch. Come on inside. You'll love this updated kitchen with quartz countertops, subway tile. This is a beautiful Brunswick location, very close to Frear Park, so enjoy all the summer activities there with the kiddos and go for a golf while you're at it. This 3-season room is so amazing. Look at this built-in swing for lazy summer afternoons. You have built-in TV and also a hot tub right behind you. LVT flooring, and this leads out to your very private backyard. Welcome to this amazing master suite. It comes with a full updated bathroom, plenty of space, rustic, wide plank floors, and room for either a walk-in closet or work-at-home situation, and walk out onto your composite deck to overlook the backyard. Look at this amazing composite deck off the master bedroom. You even have your own private cherry tree and plenty of room for growing seasonal vegetables. Brand new 2-car garage and very private backyard. You're gonna love it.